Hello, my name is Joni and I'm back with 3 more doilies. This is all one pattern, 3 doilies, 3 different yarns, 3 different hook sizes. I did a short so you can see them far away, but I wanted to show what I used up close. The pattern comes from, I believe I'm saying this right, Audrey Studios maybe. I'll have the link in the description. And so I'm just going to show the 3 that I made and then I'll talk about them. And I really like how clean the back is too. It's a beautiful pattern. And my goose is up on my porch. I see you out there. Can you hear her? And this one, she's not supposed to be up there. She has gotten up there. So I'll have to go shoo her off. This is another color wave. It's got a little bit of sparkle to it. And again, really clean. And then this one, which is in a hand-dyed yarn. And it has a little sparkle to it. It's very pretty. So what did I use? So for this one, the yarn that I use, now my yarn stash can be a little old. I stock up when I can. I live out in the middle of nowhere. And so this is kind of an old color. I used a 3.5 millimeter hook. And I used a Yarn Bee Authentic Hand-Dyed Luxe in the color wave Horizontal Line. And it's really pretty yarn. And that's how it works up. How beautiful. I love that. The next one I did is in the pink. This one was some yarn that I had picked up, believe it or not, at Dollar Tree many years ago, or a few years ago now. It was Summer's Nights. That's a Lion brand. And for this one, I used a 3 millimeter hook with it. And in this yarn here, it's kind of a pinky color. There it is, Tropical Punch is that color, and I think it turned out very pretty. I really like that one. The color wave looked nice with this pattern, so this was like a keeper. I like that one. And the last one I did is this. This is the classic Artiste Ivory size 10 cotton yarn, which you can see there, in the ivory color. So not quite white. I used a 2 millimeter hook. And that was the finished project. Beautiful. So this pattern is a big win for me. I really like it. I think it worked out well. It was fun to make. I made 3 of them. It's definitely in my saved. I'll put the link, as I said, to the pattern in the description. And also I have a playlist going of made projects. So it will also have a, be in that playlist. Anytime I make a doily and I share it, I'm adding it into that playlist. So you can go and see projects that I have made and try them out yourself. So thank you to, Audrey, or however you say the name, for your beautiful pattern. I love it. It was fun. You have so many great patterns. I will be making more. So I'll share them as I make them. Bye-bye.